Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a wash day routine as you've seen by the title, and this video is sponsored by Kiss, so shout out to Kiss for sponsoring this video. But we are going to get into some nitty gritty and some tips and stuff for a nice fresh wash day. So let's just get right into it. Of course, the number one step is to add some water to your hair. Water is key. We're not going to talk about that much today, but as you guys can see, I drenched my hair until my curls really are popping, and we are going to go in with the shampoo. Now this new line by Kiss is their argan and macadamia for dry and damaged natural hair collection, and they have an array of things as you guys are going to see. So I'm starting off with the shampoo. Now this shampoo lather is really good. I would have to say so myself, as you guys are going to see, but I do want to go ahead and speak a little bit more about this product line to you guys. So argan and macadamia oils are certified organic oils from Morocco and Kenya. And what a certified organic oil means is that the oil is sourced from farms that are held to higher standards and quality ingredients, and they have certification. And what's also good about these products from Kiss is that they're also sulfate free and paraben free as well, and they formulated this strictly for dry and damaged hair. And before you even think about commenting how I always use expensive products, I listened to you guys this time, and these products are affordable. Every single product in this line is less than $10. Kiss did the thing with that. So you guys can go to your local beauty supply store and pick it up, and this shampoo is actually $6.99. So as you can see, this shampoo goes a long way. I went a little overboard, so you don't need that much, but this left my hair feeling clean but not stripped, which we like. And I wanted to give you guys a close-up so that you can really see how my hair is looking and you get a good idea of what the shampoo does. But as you can see, once I rinsed it out, my hair is still shiny, and you can still see that the moisture is not gone, and I love that. Alright, so now that your hair is all cleansed, you are good to start conditioning and putting some more moisture back in your hair because your hair is in need, okay? Not that this dried out my hair. My hair, as you can see, looks nice and juicy and moisturized, but I'm going in with the conditioner from Kiss, of course, and I'm showing you guys consistency because you can see it is lightweight, which if you have low porosity hair, you're going to love this, especially if you are detangling. If you're going to use a conditioner to detangle, you always want it to be nice and light and just melt into your hair. And as you can see, the melting is happening, and it's beautiful. It melted right into my hair, and it made it very easy to detangle. As you guys can see, I'm just gonna softly detangle and just rake this through, then twist it up so that I can go to the next section. This is going to be perfect to break down in sections. You do not want to try to detangle your hair all in one. You always want to work in sections. So that's what I like to do for my detangling process. I like to work in fours. You can work in however many you like, but make sure you're applying the conditioner, detangling, twisting it up, working on the next section. So that's basically what you see that I'm doing right now. And for you ingredient lovers, macadamia is the second ingredient in this conditioner, and it retails for $6.99. So after you've detangled all of your hair, you now want to just go ahead and rinse that out. Now I like to rinse it out, my conditioners out, with my twist still in, because I do like to apply my deep conditioners with my section still intact. So that's the only reason. It's not to really keep the twist, but it's to keep the parting. And then I'm going in with the argan and macadamia mask, and this thing right here was so nice and creamy. As you guys can see, the texture of that looks nice and creamy, nice and thick. So if you like thick, creamy mask and deep conditioners, this is a good one, as you can see. And macadamia seed oil is the second ingredient in this mask as well. And as you can see, the deep conditioner is not just sitting on top of my hair, it is actually absorbing into my strands. It does not look super white, even though it was super thick, which is a good sign. And as I'm applying this deep conditioner, can we just take a moment to realize that my hair is growing? Like, it's growing so long and it's getting so much bigger, and I really don't know what to do with my life. It feels amazing. But anyway, deep conditioner applied. And if I must say so myself, and I feel like that hair flip just said so itself, I think my curls are popping. I think they're popping. They're popping. But anyway, it's time for me to shower. And you're not invited, so good day. So after you are completely clean, you can go ahead and take it out, or you can leave it in for longer. It doesn't matter, but I just wanted to leave it on enough for me to shower. And this is what my hair is looking like. And then you want to just go ahead and thoroughly rinse. And I was using warm water, not hot water, not cold water. It's like a lukey, room temperature-ish water. Just don't do hot or cold, because too hot will harm your curls and too cold will close your cuticles and no other moisture will enter, and you need the leave-in to sink into. You don't want your cuticles to be closed before you go in with that leave-in. You see that thing? Yeah, you do. Now, as you can see, this product is creamy, but it's also lightweight as well. So going in with this was bomb. You guys know I like lightweight leave-ins. This is nothing new, but of course, you have to stay inside of the shower and apply you guys leave-ins. I've said this over and over and over. Your cuticles are open. You have not closed them because you did not use cold water, and you added your leave-in while your cuticles are still open and your hair is getting all that good moisture. And now it's time to style. This is normally the last step of your wash day, your process in the shower, and then you possibly get out and do your wash and go or your twist out or something like that. But as you guys see, I'm doing braids. And I also do my wash and goes in the shower, but that's not what we're doing today. I'm actually doing braids because I'm trying to practice my braiding. If you guys want to see a video on how I braid my hair, I kind of want to do it because it's been a journey of me braiding, and I've braided differently each time, but now I have a really easy, like a dummy proof braiding technique. So if you guys want to see that, please let me know in the comment section below and I'll get that out for you guys. All right, now back to this leave-in conditioner. Okay, so macadamia is the third ingredient in here, so it is pretty close up on the ingredient list in the leave-in as well, and it retails for $8.99, under $10 at your local beauty supply store. So this leave-in, super affordable and super awesome. But you guys are going to see that I take forever to get my braids started. Like, I literally can never get it just like automatically started. But once I get the rhythm, I'm like gone. So once again, if you guys want to see a full-blown tutorial of me really showing you, breaking it down, how to braid thick hair, let your girl know, because I got you. And just a little random fact, I cannot stay still when I am braiding my hair. Like, I honestly have to move around, I have to walk, I cannot stand still. It's always been a thing for me. Am I the only one? If you do the same thing, I would like to know. Let me know in the comment section below. So now that your girl have completed her 2 braids, I just gotta want to take some of these baby hairs out because Kiss also has an edge fixer, and I just wanted to go ahead and use it in this video. And this is the Argan and Macadamia Edge Fixer, maximum hold, 24 hours. I had already used it, but ignore that. So I'm going in with this, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just do a little few swoops, you know, just polishing myself up a little bit. And this is pretty much going to be the end of the video. So from here, you can go ahead and style however you desire. I styled with my 2 braids, and I love 2 braids. I just tie my hair down, get those flyaways gone, and it comes out looking nice and silky. But anyway, I hope you guys really like this video. If you do like more wash day videos, let me know in the comment section below. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye-bye. Take the passenger seat. If it's fine, you, I'll take the passenger seat.